Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites: spectrum authorization, vendor hardware compatibility, and fiber or microwave backhaul capacity. Once done, perform a site survey to map coverage, line of sight and interference, mark mounting points and required clearance. Next, stage the G Node B and antennas in a lab or staging area to verify firmware and power characteristics. Make sure you have installation tools and safety gear. Then transport equipment to the site and prepare fiber termination and grounding before physical mounting. You now focus on detailed execution. Mount and align antennas, then set transmit power, electrical tilt, and azimuth to match the coverage plan. Once aligned, provision the G Node B with cell ID, TAC, and neighbor lists to support handover. Next, integrate the radio with the 5G core. Register AMF and SMF entries, validate N1 and N2 signaling, and connect UPF for data paths. Make sure to apply CO-S and network slicing rules so critical traffic gets prioritized and latency SLAs are met. You finish by validating performance. Run drive tests and measure RSRP, RSRQ, SINR, latency, and throughput to confirm objectives. Once tests highlight gaps, tune transmit power, scheduling, and neighbor lists, and adjust carrier bandwidth or TDD patterns to improve capacity. Make sure monitoring and alarm thresholds are active and schedule firmware and optimization windows. If something goes wrong, a key troubleshooting tip: isolate the fault by reverting to the last known good configuration and verify each component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.